It's the pineapple. Oh, hey everybody. We're back with another video. Today, we're going to be doing Chick-fil-A nuggets. Chicken filet nuggets. This is not my recipe. We're trying out Joshua Weissman's Better Than Chick-fil-A video recipe. I found it and I was like, you know what? Instead of trying to tweak it and trying to figure out what I'm gonna do to make it my own, we're just gonna use somebody else's and review it and see if it's good or not. Let's get into it. For starters, we got 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of chicken thighs. He said to do thighs instead of breast because obviously chicken thighs has more flavor. It's more juicy. Then we got a little thing of kosher salt, a little thing of MSG, and sugar. I'm gonna put all of the measurements and the link to his recipe in the description so you guys know what's up. MSG, everyone thinks it's bad. Apparently it's not bad. I keep hearing conflicting information. I don't know, but we're gonna use it and we're gonna see. First thing we're gonna do is we're making a cure with this. In a larger bowl, the salt, the MSG, and the sugar. We're whisking. We're gonna cut these chicken thighs up into chicken nugget sized pieces. Whatever you believe is a chicken nugget sized piece, that's what we're doing. Those are quality size right there. That's a decent nugget. That right there. I didn't really like that guy, Joshua Weissman, just due to the fact that I was jealous of him from his success. But it turns out he's pretty good at what he does. And I respect him. Unless this recipe ends up sucking, and then I'm gonna take back everything I just said. Boom, look at this. Chicken thigh, chicken deliciousness. Get a baking sheet, put the chicken on there flat so that we can season it with this cure, this salt MSG mixture. So many nuggets. This would be a lot of money from Chick-fil-A. He says you won't use all of it, but we'll see. And then we're gonna mix some of it up, season them up again. All right, so that's good. And now he says to put it in a bag. I'm gonna actually put it back into a bowl because I have no bags, haha. And he says let it sit for at least 30 minutes or overnight. We're gonna let this sit for 30 minutes. But just in case anybody was wondering where to get MSG, this is at every grocery store. So Accent, it just says flavor enhancer, wakes up food flavor. All it literally is, ingredients, monosodium glutamate. It's like $3, it's no big deal. We're gonna see if it's good though. He made it seem like it's banging. It's been 30 minutes, hence why I'm cracking open another Truly. So it's been 30 minutes. This is our chicken. As you can tell, it looks exactly the same, but it also smells exactly the same. And now we're gonna make the dredge and the egg mixture. Right here, we have our deep fryer set to 325, filled with vegetable oil. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, granulated garlic, powdered sugar, more MSG. We got some kosher salt and some paprika. He adds this stuff in his. He took a bunch of dried porcini mushrooms, and he blended them up to get like a half cup of porcini mushrooms. There's no way that is like a make or break for the recipe. No idea. But I don't have porcini mushrooms. The store didn't have it, but the lovely woman had this right here. She got it from Trader Joe's, obviously right there. Where the ingredients say there's porcini mushroom powder in it. So I'm gonna use a little bit of that. It's not gonna be half a cup, but I'm just gonna add it because why not? At least it's in there. If you have dried mushrooms, do as the recipe, but I don't. So I'm gonna whisk this up nicely, get it all nice and incorporated. All right, that's all incorporated. Egg mixture. We got 2 eggs. And then he said 1 cup of whole milk. And we're gonna whisk that together. We're gonna go ahead and get that mixed up. Great. So now we have our wet part, we got our dry part, and we got our chicken. So I'm gonna retry the old wet hand, dry hand thing, because I feel like I didn't give it a fair shake. I felt like I wasn't doing it justice. This is gonna be my wet hand, this is gonna be my dry hand. First thing we gotta do is drop some of this chicken, drop it into the flour mixture. Shake this up like this, and then we use the dry hand. Aha. Then from there, we go from that into the egg milk mixture, like so. All right, all of it is in there. Wet hand. Get it all wet with the egg milk mixture. And then I'm gonna take it, throw it right back into the flour. I'll go ahead and give it a shake again, and then dry hand. Make sure every piece of the chicken is covered in flour. Shake off any excess, and then we're just gonna lay them down on this pan. And that looks like his, so I think we're on the right track. Yes, deep frying chicken can be tedious, but it's worth it in the end. I hope. Hopefully he wasn't lying to me. So I will say the wet hand, dry hand method. All right, I get it, kind of, but I still had to wash my hands. Anyway, our oil is ready, so we're gonna get to deep frying these. I have another pan right here lined with some paper towels because I don't have a wire rack. So we're gonna start dropping these bad boys in. I don't want to crowd my deep fryer. There we go, cool beans. I'm gonna put the lid back on that. We're gonna let it go for 3 to 5 minutes. That's how long he says we should do it, and then we'll find out if it's correct or not. All right, first batch. It's been 6 minutes actually, and this is what we got right here. They look like Chick-fil-A nuggets. I'm not gonna sit here and fake. They look pretty Chick-fil-A-y. So we're gonna transfer this to our paper towel plate or pan. Let them dry off a little bit, and in with the next, because we got 34 of these bad boys to go. I'm not gonna try these until they're all done, by the way. So just wait. I kept them in a little less time. We're just gonna keep this going. Next batch. All right, they're all fried. They're done. Take a gander at these bad boys. They look really good. They smell really good. They look like Chick-fil-A nuggets. He might be onto something here. We're gonna cut one open and see how juicy they are, because when he did it, they look real juicy. So let me pick that bad boy right there. That's a good one. Cut her open. All right, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna say that's pretty nice right there. Ow, it's so hot. Oh, it's so juicy though. I don't know if you can see that glistening off the top there. It looks so good. We're gonna try it though. Also, he made his own Chick-fil-A sauce. I made my own Chick-fil-A sauce in my Chick-fil-A sandwich video, which I might redo just due to the fact that if this is banging, I'm gonna redo it. But I just have packets of Chick-fil-A sauce lying around the house because the woman keeps them. So we have our Chick-fil-A sauce right here. Let's go. Yeah, with that golden, delicious. The flavor of this is banging. It's too good. But also, I might be confused because of the Chick-fil-A sauce. Because right now, this tastes identical to Chick-fil-A. I gotta try it without the sauce. First and foremost, they're delicious. Recipe's great. Absolutely, everything tastes good. The only problem is, by themselves, they just taste like a really, really good fried chicken nugget. Really good, but it does not taste like a Chick-fil-A nugget. It just doesn't. Now, that doesn't mean it's a bad thing. To me, these taste better than Chick-fil-A nuggets, but it doesn't taste like a Chick-fil-A nugget. To give him some credit, it is better than Chick-fil-A. How do I make it better? So this is his recipe, and it is better. I gotta hand it to him. The flavor's really good. I want to just keep eating them. They're banging. When you mix it with the Chick-fil-A sauce, it honestly tastes like Chick-fil-A. So that should tell you something about Chick-fil-A. It might not be their chicken. I don't know. Let's plate this up real quick though. There it is. We have the Chick-fil-A nuggets. We have the waffle fries that I didn't make. Those are actually frozen. I got them from the store. Let me know if I should make these. Let me do it with a little sauce. A little bit of this sauce right here. Does it taste identical to Chick-fil-A? No. Is it delicious? Absolutely. Is it better? Arguably. I don't know. To me, it's better. You add in the Chick-fil-A sauce, you're eating Chick-fil-A, your kids will never know the difference, you'll never know the difference. My recommendation, try this out. If you can find yourself some of that porcini, like dried porcini mushrooms, and grind them up and make the powder, maybe that's the difference. Maybe that's what Chick-fil-A does. I doubt it, but maybe it is. That is our video, Chick-fil-A nuggets. Try them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Comment down below how you feel about it. All that good stuff. Subscribe. We're moving. I'm monetized now. You guys are giving me money, technically, in a way. But I'll see you guys later. Next week. Next Tuesday. Later.